So you never wanted a regular type life?
The fuck is that? Barbecues and ball games? Barbecues and ball games? Barbecues and ball games?
You have a problem with authority, Mr. Anderson. You believe that you are special, that somehow the rules do not apply to you.
So you never wanted a regular type life?
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Interior Motives. I am Christopher Lowell. Are you ready for some fix-up?
Self-improvement is masturbation. That's self-destruction.
We work for the stockholders now. We work for the stockholders now. For the stockholders now. For the stockholders now.
Because every single employee understands that they are part of a whole. They are part of a whole. They are part of a whole. Because every single employee understands that they are part of a whole.
What would you say you do here?
Well, look, I already told you. I deal with the goddamn customers so the engineers don't have to. I have people skills. I am good at dealing with people. Can't you understand that? What the hell is wrong with you people?
Organisational complex in corporate America from the 1930s onwards has had a profound influence on how Americans, and by now all of the West, actually live and think. Not just in terms of consumerism and working for the corporation, but in aesthetics and architecture, encompassing the very nature of America's suburbia and houses. And this has been so extensive that it's created a specific type of man, the type of man being produced by this organisational complex of the so-called organisation man. Of the so-called organisation man. Organisation man. Organisation man. Of the so-called organisation man.